throw away your physical SIM. Throw away your old physical SIM because I'm gonna show you how to get eSIM on your new Android. You might be wondering how to activate eSIM on your Android device. Now doing this is really simple and doesn't take too much of your time. I'm gonna show you how to do it for Jio Mobile, but this process is similar for other telecom providers as well.
Here you can see I am using my phone without a physical SIM and the SIM slot is empty. eSIM increases the chance of your phone getting tracked in case it's stolen. Apple removed physical SIM from its iPhone 15 model since last year. Let's dive right into the video, and this is gonna be a really short tutorial. Open the My Jio app, search for eSIM on the search box. Now tap on switch to eSIM. Enter your email and tap on verify. This is the email where you will receive your QR code for the eSIM. You will need to verify an OTP and enter your EID number. The EID number can be obtained from About Phone section in your settings, or simply search for EID on settings. Copy this number and long press to paste it on the My Jio app. Press on proceed to receive an OTP. Now you will receive this message followed by a call from Jio number asking you to verify your eSIM request.
Aware that unauthorized SIM changes can lead to financial loss. To share your consent to process the request, press 7. To cancel the request, press 1. Thank you for your response.
After successful confirmation, you will receive an email with a QR code. Now go to mobile network and SIM management in settings. Tap on add eSIM. Now if you have a Samsung or iPhone, this eSIM will directly be added here. Otherwise, scan the QR you received on your email to add the email. Press add eSIM and your eSIM will be added on your new Android phone. Do note that according to government rules, SMS service will be stopped for 24 hours. So you won't be able to register your UPI for the time being, and you will be limited to a transaction of 5000 INR for the next day. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you found it helpful. This is Razor Ninja and I will catch you in the next one.